Okay, here's this laptop. It's a Lenovo B51-30. The 30 is visible down here. B51-30. Let's see how to reverse these keys. So the function keys, if I press, let's say, this one, it's not gonna act as F1, but instead it will mute the speakers. So if I press this one, notice there it is muting and unmuting the speakers. Okay, and if I want to use it as F1, then I have to press the function key also. So function and this key would be F1. So let's see how to reverse these two values, the white with the orange one. Okay, to do that, first restart the computer. But first let me tell you another thing. So we will enter BIOS using this key, which is F2, but since it's not using F2 as the default value, we have to press function and F2 in order to get into BIOS. Okay, so restart the computer. Okay, now keep the function key pressed down and tap F2. Okay, so we're here in BIOS. Now go here to configuration using the arrow keys, right, okay, and go down here to HotkeyMode. Now currently HotkeyMode is enabled. There's a description also. Okay, so press enter, set it to disabled. Okay, go here to exit, and the first one, exit saving changes. Press enter on that one, enter here to exit and save. Okay, Windows started. Now if I press the F1 key, then it's not showing me the mute and unmute sign up here in the corner. In order to mute it and unmute it, I have to press the function key and F1. Now it's muting and unmuting. The same thing with the volume up and down. Now you have to press function and F2. The volume goes down. Function and F3. The volume goes up. So these two, the orange and the white, were reversed. Now the lower one, the orange, is the default.